Hello everyone. So today we are looking at this beautiful canvas from Home Art. They have different design canvases. So this one is a four set of canvas. So really good looking canvas set. You can put it in your living room, hallway, different place you can put it on. It really looks nice. It's a great size, perfect, and nice bright colors, good print quality. So yeah, a great nice looking canvas set. It will improve the looks of your any room. So it also has these hooks already in place in so that you can easily hang them on the walls. I love the design of this. I mean, it gives the feel of serenity, peace, calmness. So great design. I feel I'm going to put it in the bathroom because the color scheme will match with the curtains or the shower curtain there. uh, yep, so that's about it. Great product, good looking canvas set. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.